Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're working on this car. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so in today's episode, we're working on the C28. Got something very special for you guys. I am gonna be swapping out my ebony interior for red interior, and I'll show you guys more of that here in a bit. But yeah, man, this is gonna be super easy to do. It's not hard at all. The car came with ebony leather interior. You guys can see. Let me go around so you guys can get a good shot of this interior before I put the red interior, because I'm not 100% sure which interior I'm gonna like better. So let me just do a little walk around on the car, before and after type of thing. You know what I mean? But yes, sir. This is the interior in the Camaro. A bunch of 90s GM goodness. But it's actually not that bad. I'm a big fan of these interiors, honestly. I really like them. Like compared to the same year Mustang interiors, like 2001, 2002. I've loved the Fbody interiors. I'm not sure why. It's just, I don't know. It's just like home. You know what I mean? It's just like if you live in a rundown home, but it's home, you know that feeling. Anyways, yeah, so super easy to do. All you gotta do is get a Phillips head. So you're gonna remove these two. There's gonna be some screws under here that you have to remove first. That right there, Phillips heads. Once you do that, all you gotta do, remove the nuts. One here, one on that side. Same thing with the front. Make sure that your battery is connected. That way you can push your seats back and forth. Super easy, guys. Let me get it all the way back. There's gonna be Phillips head screw here. This cap's gonna pop off. Underneath there's a nut. Take that off. Same thing on that side. Passenger side is super easy. Back seats, I've never really took a back seat out, but I want to say there's a screw under here. Yep, I can feel it with my thumb. There's a nut right here. Take that off. I think it's like a 13. The whole thing comes off, and then the bottom back, I think just like unclips. It just unclips from here. You just pull this forward. I'm gonna put down. There's gonna be some screws, and take them off. Nothing to this interior, guys. Super easy to take off. Like I said, this side's even easier. You just take these screw caps off, take off the nuts. One here, one over here. Same thing here. You can kind of see one here. The other side, take that off, and move on to the back seats. So let me show you guys what I got, what's gonna be going on this car. There's my buddy's formula just sitting there. But check this out, guys. Oh my gosh. Red leather interior for the C28. Super excited, guys. I've always wanted red interior for the Camaro. For a black car, I used to have a black Trans Am. The goal was to do red interior on the Trans Am. Sold the Trans Am basically, and now I got a black C28 that I'm gonna be installing red seats. Super nice seats, leather in great shape. These seats I actually got off of Hawk's 3rd Gen. I think the website is hawks3rdgen.com. They have a whole bunch of Fbody stuff, guys. If you guys are looking for seats, wheels, rear ends, you name it, anything to do with Fbodies, Fit Gen, Corvettes, they have it. That website's been on since I could remember. Awesome website, guys. Check them out. hawks3rdgen.com. Not a sponsorship, obviously. My channel's super small, but if you have Fbodies, check out that website. Super awesome to buy like OEM GM stuff. They basically buy reg Fbodies and then saves the parts and then they sell them. But heck yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we went ahead and took out my interior. Super easy, like I said. 4, 13, these are 13. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The front seat comes out. The back seat, the bottom portion is just held down by this, what is it, screw or bolt. 13 as well. You can basically get all your interior out with the 13 and the Phillips heads. The only thing that uses star bits is the bolts on the back of the back seat, where these seat belts are being held in place. They are like a T28 because I'm using a T27. It's too small, but that's all I have. And they're kind of a pain to come out because look at all that blue Loctite that Chevy decided to put on from the factory. So yeah, man, other than that, it's not that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do some cleaning here in the interior. Seats have never been out on this car, so definitely have a lot of cleaning to do. So let's get started. Alright guys, went ahead and cleaned out my interior. It's looking way better than what it did before. Well, I guess cleaned out my carpet. Let me go to the other side. Got my little helper here causing trouble. Hey girl. He's been everywhere. All on top of me, on top of my seats, on top of the car. But he's just too dang cute. Can't tell him no. Anyways. Yep, got all this cleaned up. These are just the mats. They're still a little dirty. I'm gonna clean them up once I finish installing the seats. But the carpets look way better. Now, let's go ahead and get started on installing the red seats. Yes, sir. Guys, and just like that, we are finished. Check it out. Oh my goodness, I am in love. This looks so much better to me. It just adds that certain color to the car. Oh man, that looks freaking sweet. Yes sir. Oh my goodness. Heck yeah, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think. What interior you guys like better? The charcoal or the ebony interior or the red interior? This is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and close this door so you guys can see it with the doors closed. Man, this looks really good to me. Oh my god. Dang. And the seats are so much comfier, like they're more plush. The lumbar support is way better on these seats. Oh man, back seats right there. All I'm missing is, I'm gonna do this in red as well. Take this to my upholstery guy, this leather piece right here. That way my door panels match too. And that's it, man. I am super happy with how this came out, guys. Super duper happy. Yes sir. Look at that interior. Oh, so nice. Ooh. that's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.